Okay, here we are. Day 3. We've been here since Tuesday and we're about to put the final coat on. Actually, yeah, the final coat's about to get on and you can see what the floor actually looks like now. It was a bit of a dingy yellow, had a lot of repair areas, but we put a nice gray tone that the customer wanted and it came out looking real nice. We have our transition pieces in place. Down the hallway, we redid this closet for them. That here to the left is actually cedar, this entire section, but she wanted this section to just look like the rest. A few more sections here. Here is one bedroom. Hallway. Second bedroom. Came out very clean, and this is how I said. They asked us to sand this section down, just leave it raw. Create a nice smell in the room. Third room. And the final room where we did a lot of repairs. If you recall in the first video, this entire section here is brand new. And there was an entire area right here, huge spot from the doorway all the way out to here, that had to be replaced due to water damage. But you can see it is blended in and looks really, really smooth and clean. She just took a look at it and is extremely happy, loves the look. And there we go. Took 3 days for almost 1,000 feet.